I lead Terahertz Group and laboratories at the School of Electrical Engineering in UNSW. I established the group in 2017 with the hope of creating a platform to solve real-world problems using cutting-edge research. My group works on developing high-capacity terahertz devices for 6G communication. 6G offers superior speeds, almost 100 times faster than 5G, and also lower latency. It will revolutionize many aspects of modern life, including mobile towers, driverless cars, telehealth, and chip-to-chip communication. 6G means moving to higher frequencies, which is above 100 GHz. Moving to this frequency brings its own unique challenges that we need to address at the component level, and these are loss and bandwidth limitations. Here in the Terahertz lab, we have two systems. One generates short terahertz pulses, and the other one continuous wave that can be modulated. We can use these systems to probe materials and characterize the devices we develop in the group. We are developing hybrid platform inspired from microwave and optics worlds to pave the way towards a high-speed, fast data processing for a better and more connected world.